is Jenny, and today I'm going to show you how to make this DIY flower initial. Let's go!
You'll need a cardboard letter, a glue gun and glue sticks, acrylic paint and a paintbrush, fake leaves, fake flowers, and command strips. Let's make our DIY flower initial. First, paint the front and sides of your cardboard letter. Allow the paint to dry. Paint a second layer if needed. Next, grab your fake flowers and fake leaves. Remove all the stems. Take your glue gun and glue sticks and glue your leaves to your flower. Once you've glued your pieces, position them on your letter. You can add as many as you like. Once you know where you want your flowers, begin to glue them down to your letter using your glue gun. Now it's time to attach your command strips to the back of your letter. It's time to hang your flower initial. Here's the final result. What do you think?
Thank you so much for watching. If you like this DIY, leave a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And if you want me to try any DIYs, comment down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!